Hello all, this is Pradeep. Today I'm going to discuss about the tool ncdu in Linux. By using this tool, we can check the disk usage of Linux. So why we require this tool, right? So just explore first, then you will get the idea. So I already installed the ncdu. So you can install by using this command in Ubuntu, and then we can just simply run the command ncdu. So currently I am in the root directory, so we can just switch it to home directory or another directory. So I'm just pressing the Q, so for quitting the tool. So yeah, I'm going to slash folder, then I'm just running ncdu command again. Okay, so first it will scan the entire directory. So yeah, we can wait. So yeah, scanning is completed. So you can see the entire folder and file. So var is taking more storage, 2.6, and 2.5 is taking USR. So we can go to var. So for that you just want to press right arrow key. So I'm just pressing left arrow key. So inside you can see a lot of other folders and file is taking more things, like lib is taking 1.2 GB. So through this way you can find which folder and which file is taking more storage. So if you want to go back, you can just press left arrow key. So yeah, that's it. So through this way it's very useful, to be frank, very useful. You can just check it out, the tool. So for quitting this tool, just press Q. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you. This is for today's video.